to my position right there. Boom. All right, so why are we in this trade? Let me talk about it real quick because I'm in two minis and actually intended to get into some micros here. So all good. I was going to get into about 5 micros or whatever and then scale in. And I got excited when I saw that we broke below the Maverick guide and we started to get pink candles. I jumped in and then I said, oh, all right, well, we're trading minis now, so let's go. So I'm sure every trader has done that, so all good. All right, so why are we in this trade? Well, let me walk you through it. All right, so first things first, we have a red background, okay? Market opened. You got all this mess over here. Gray candles we stay out of at market open. You got one green candle, but there was no other real like confluence to tell us like, yes, now we're getting in. And there wasn't much strength to it. Didn't even pass the first candle. Then we got another gray candle pushing down. So it's just a mess. The first 5-10 minutes of the market, just stay out. There's just no reason to get into. Then we broke below the Maverick guide, and this is what I was really interested in. Remember, folks, when we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. When we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. Below the Maverick guide, we go short. Below it, we go short. Above the blue line, we go long. The blue line is your Maverick guide. Below it, we go short. Above it, we go long. Now, bright green candles are your strongest upside candle. Bright green candles are your strongest upside candle, okay? If you've ever looked at a candle and you're wondering about strength and momentum, bright green is your strongest one to the upside. Pink is your strongest downside candle, okay? If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Look, we're up about $1,000 on 2 contracts. We have 1, 2, 3 confidence arrows. Our Maverick, sorry, I'm going to talk real quick because I want to, let me get this out of the way. I don't want to, it's an unreleased indicator right there, but will be coming soon to lifetime members. 5 traders across 6 time frames are mostly all voting bearish. This is like trading with 5 other traders. Sorry, let me bring my stop loss up to break even. So imagine if you could trade with 5 other expert traders. That's what this is. Instead of having 6 charts on your screen, let the Maverick Multi-X put 5 traders on your screen, algorithms, but think of them like traders, all expert, all with a different style and preference across 6 time frames, okay? And they're all voting bearish right now. Our Maverick Trender, which our lifetime members have, our Maverick Trender is pegged to the top. And it's got a downtrend label. When it's pegged to the top, that is showing strength and momentum, okay? So it's gonna retrace a little bit here. I do wanna take a little profit off. So I'm gonna put that, boom, okay, cool. And now I'm gonna take this guy because I believe we are gonna be in a downtrend. I'm gonna put that up there. So I'm playing with some house money, all right? And we have broken this previous low here. We're still completely red on our Maverick Multi-X. So what did I trim off there? $300, something like that. So we trimmed off about 300, and I'm gonna let this thing keep riding down. And so again, let me recap why we're in this trade and why it was so clear to me. Came out of open, we had indecision candles, right? We had 1, 2 down confidence arrows. We broke below the Maverick guide. When you're below the Maverick guide, you go short. When price is above the Maverick guide, you go long. Below you go short. Below you go short. Above you go long. I could do this all day long. Below you go short, above you go long, right? Now we use that in confluence with all our other indicators. We don't just go short and long because of a line on the chart. We look at the red background. We look at the down confidence arrows. We see what our 5 traders are saying. Right now, our 5 traders are all bearish across 6 time frames, which you can set these time frames for whatever time you want, and you can add a 7 time frame. We have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. And look at it. Look at it just coming down here beautifully, beautifully. If I can get like Yeah, there we go. Nice, nice. Remember, we're only in one contract right now. Okay, we already took about $300 or so off the table. Maverick Trender is still pegged to the top, and we have a downtrend label right here. Downtrend label. Okay, so there's that. So again, all 5 traders across 6 time frames. The 1 minute, the 3, the 5, the 10, the 15, the 60, they're all bearish, except for one holdout. And you guys know, I'll call it, Trader 2 is bullish on a lot of things, has a bullish preference. So holding out on the 60 minute, but 29 out of 30 votes are bearish. Okay. We just got another down confidence arrow. Okay. And yeah, we're good. So we are in uncharted territory here, folks. Look at that. There's no other low here. So what would you know if you didn't have your levels marked? You're looking at the strength of the candle, and you're looking at it going, well, if you have the Maverick AI Pro, you have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. You're completely red on your Maverick Multi-X. 5 traders voting across 6 time frames. Your Maverick Trender is pegged to the top, and you have a down label. Okay. All right. Beautiful. So if this hits about $1,000, I'm probably just going to take profit on this. Now we could run down all day long. I'll keep an eye on it, but I would think that we're going to retrace back a little bit after this candle. I mean, you just had 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've just had 4 down candles in a row. You're bound for some retracement. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna close it at 700. You saw I just closed it at 700. So $1,000 trade. Actually, no, it's $1,300. Just about $1,300 there, all in. Now, I'm not saying that we're not going to continue to come down. You have hot pink candles, but the market doesn't. In my opinion, this is just my theory. A market maker is not going to allow 1, 2, 3, 4 down bars. All of us retail traders jump on that and then give us like 9 other down bars. Like usually it like retraces up, grabs some stop losses, and then it'll continue back down. That's what the market likes to do. Now, are we still in a downtrend? Absolutely. You have your downtrend label. You're still pegged at the top of your Maverick Trender, and your Maverick Multi-X is completely red. If I was in micros, I probably would have just moved my stop loss up and then said, hey, I'm just going to go through the retracement and then just continue down. I probably wouldn't have closed the trade, but I'm in minis. So it's $12.50 a tick, $1,300 on a trade. I don't know, 15 minutes of work was pretty good, right? Pretty good. So you saw we got some retracement. We're getting around the 10 o'clock. I don't know why I was going to say the $10 mark. We're getting around 10 o'clock, and ES likes to pull some funky dances around 10 a.m. Sometimes it likes to reverse, and sometimes it likes to just kind of consolidate and then continue down. So no reason for me to just risk my capital and have it retrace on me. But again, you've now had 1, 2, 3, 4 down candles in a row off the open. I got to think that we were going to retrace back up a little bit. And then if we continue to the downside, we do. But I'm just going to watch my indicators to see how that is. Yeah, pretty good. So $1,000 trade right there. I probably could have executed it a little bit better. But it's one thing trading. It's another thing trading and teaching and scrolling around and teaching why I'm in the trade and all that stuff. So it's like I'm trying to do 2 things at once. But other than that, $1,300 on a trade. Let's go. All right. So, hey, listen, if you are interested, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. Get clear vision on your charts. Let the indicators show you what's going on in the market. And we would absolutely love to help you crush it. And we'll get you rocking and rolling, all right? MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.